everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video today, I decided to stop at the Goodwill to go thrifting. Come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Oh my goodness, now look at this beautiful mirror. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll see you at the end. Goodness, you see those blue and white dishes? Amazing. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.